All right, so I will be showing you how to get your Zoom cloud recording. So you first log into zoom.us and then sign in. If so, you click on sign in, and once you're in, you will be able to just log into whatever account was the account that you had the meeting in. So for the purpose of this, I will go into my own Zoom cloud recording and just click on the bottom left. You will see recordings. You see it here? So click on recordings and then you see all your cloud recordings. So if you recorded to cloud or you recorded to your computer, for cloud recording, you will see all your cloud recordings here. So these are all the recordings that I have. If you don't see what you want here, you can go more to the right and then you will see more recordings up until you get to the end. If you have an idea of the meeting topic or something that was a text in the audio script, you can type it here, and then you can do an advanced search, and then it will search it for you if it meets the criteria, and then you can export. So let's assume I want to go into Zoom 101. This is a meeting that I want to actually export. So I click on this, and then I click on, I don't want to delete, I want to export it. So I can click on export, or I can come here to the three dots on the right hand side and then click on download. There's also an option if I know that my files are going to be huge, that the size is going to be huge and I won't be able to send it as an email attachment, I could just share the link. So in sharing the link, if you want to share the link, you just click on share and then it opens up the share recording. So what the recipients will receive will be this share link. Who can view it? You could have the option of anybody with the recording link can view it, or you can have people who have signed into your account to view it, or nobody else can view it if you want it to be a private link. So everybody with the recording link is what I would select here. However, if you want it to be specific people, you can just copy and paste the email addresses of the people. Maybe you had a meeting and five people attended, and it's only those five people that you want to send it to. You just populate it here and then you click send. It will automatically go to their email addresses. Other thing I want to share with you is the share settings. So you can set an expiry date that after a particular date, the people who have the link or the people who you have sent it to will not be able to view it. You also have the option for the viewers to be able to download the file and save it or upload it to YouTube or anything they want to do with it, but they have the ability to download the file. And then viewers can see the chat as well, is also an option. Um, and if you want viewers to register to watch it so that you have a repository of those who can watch the recording, you check this as well. If you want there to be a passcode, you check this and then you set what your passcode could be. So if like for now my recording is Zoom 101, you can see I want the recording passcode to be Zoom 101. I can specify what passcode I want. And I also can allow the invitees to access recordings without, the passcode here. So people have the option for passcode, and if I invite them, they have the option for not putting the passcode, and I can save it. And so anybody who views it must have the passcode Zoom 101. But for the purpose of this is a video that I'm going to put on YouTube, and it really doesn't matter. There's nothing confidential in there. So I can uncheck this and then save. Then I copy this link and I can then put that link into my I can put that link into my email that I want people to be able to view. So that's pretty much it for how to send the recording. Because I have already put it on the clipboard as I have saved it, what I will then do is I could come here, open a new document, and once I paste it here, can you see the link? So this is the link I will share with the people I want, and then let me just test it. So I click on this link and I want to see what it will show me. You can see that it's opening up and it's not asking me for a passcode because I did not choose that option. And then I can click to here, and I can then see everything here. So that's it. And it just shows me everything that I have. I can fast forward, I can rewind, I can download if I want, as in all of those options are there on this video that I have here. So that's pretty much it on how to save the recording. So everybody can save the recording. I said that they can also see the chat. So the chat shows here on the right hand side for everyone. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to pause it for now. But this is video, and that's pretty much it. Thank you. And that's it.